Yo, what is up, you guys? Hope y'all been partying like every day's your birthday, because we got another one for y'all today, man. I haven't done a try not to laugh in a while, you guys, so we gonna do a try not to laugh. But what we gonna do is we gonna make sure I said my intro, right? I hope you guys been partying like every day's your birthday if I didn't say that. And if I had, now you gotta do it twice. But hey, we gotta try not to laugh, man. I hope you guys like and subscribe. We are on the road to 1.2K, so I appreciate all the support. Really trying to do this full time and make this a career for me. But yeah, y'all, we gotta try not to laugh. I promise I'm not gonna laugh today, man. We are gonna keep a straight face this whole time. Funniest animals, scared people reaction. We gonna see what happens, man. Make sure y'all grab some food, grab a snack, put your game faces on, because we're not laughing. It's on mute. Hold on. I ain't laughing if it's on mute. I promise you that. Hold on. I'm not gonna laugh at all today, y'all. So I'm warning you now. If you're watching this reaction to see me laugh, don't watch it, because it's gonna be straight faces. Boy just sharted his pants. Damn, bro, you hungry, boy? You hungry? That's plastic. You don't want to eat that. That boy is plastic. I don't think you really want to munch on that, my boy. You eating a water bottle.
It's not going to fall. All right, hold it for me, please.
Oh, I want to get a monkey, y'all.
Okay, ready? Whoa!
It's just a cow, bro. He ain't gonna hurt you.
Did you get poked?
Oh, never mind. You did hurt him.
Okay. He just turned his head.
No, it got cold.
Let me see.
Poked by what? His nose? He ain't sharp.
Hold it up high. Hold it up high.
No, it might hurt.
Oh, shit!
Bite my jacket!
Yo, it wants the food. Give the man the grub. He's hungry. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you offered him the food and he's waiting for it. He's pissed off. My boy just wants to eat. Oh, you better watch out. That boy ready to throw some hands.
Come on.
Hey, he want the smoke.
He's ready to fight. You. Come on.
Dude, that's crazy. That's cool.
Oh. Yeah. Sweet. Oh my.
Nice fish. It's a nice one.
This little bird scaring your big boxer.
Come in towards me. It's not funny. Sean, I swear, this is not funny.
Oh my God, watch out.
Go!
Don't be messing with it. See, now you pissed it off.
Sean, it's not funny.
Yo, that man definitely slept on the couch that night. He definitely sleeping on the couch. Damn, bro. Damn. Damn. That duck almost got him, or that goose. Hey, I've found that these geese tend to be mean, man. I've seen a lot of video of, like, birds attacking people, and it always seems to be this animal. Almost got him.
Spoon him.
Whoa, what is happening here, y'all?
Stop. Shh. Don't make noise.
It just spit on. Damn, boy, what are you grabbing them cheeks for? Hold on, boy. That does not look like she gave you consent. You better watch out.
Oh, hey.
He's like, boy, you better back up. That's my woman. That's my woman you touching. Said, boy, what you finna do? Let me get them cheeks, I said. Bro, don't mess with ostriches now. What are you doing? Don't mess with that. That's how you gonna get pecked. Aw. I want to pet a giraffe. That's not what? Sayer. I think he meant to say fair, man. Go give the... Oh, man, look at the seal. That seal looks pretty nice to me. Boy, spit on him, y'all drooly. Huh, that boy playing with fire. Let him find a hole in that fence. Yeet. Always go back this way.
His whole head takes up my sunroof. Oh my god, he's in the car. He took the cup!
Babe, I knew you were gonna do that.
He just took the cup.
Oh, he's devouring.
Oh my god.
Yo, that's...
on video.
Damn, bro. He just wants some... Hey, is that a llama? Hey, you got 500 wood inside of you? Let me know if you got them shields, my boy. I don't even know what happened. Oh.
Gabby, he's not gonna hurt you.
No, I'd be scared too, bro. I wouldn't want that thing.
Go ahead, Brady, do it up.
Yeah, that thing looks scary.
What you doing? Oh, yeah. Hello, how are you? I'm doing good. I'm very hungry today.
Yeah, they were talking to each other. He's living in 2020. He's communicating with ostriches. Damn, that's disrespectful. That's disrespectful, bro. You can't be just coming up to that little girl and spitting her face. My boy, wait, he said, I'm gonna hit her with some spit chime real quick. Hey, man, I need to get me a llama. That boy look like he has rabies.
Tyler, out the... No! You're gonna run out of... I can't. Oh, God!
Yo, they're trying to eat. They ain't gonna like that. Oh, my gosh.
Put it up!
Oh, God! What just happened?
Everything has to do with llamas, man. Llamas are just cool. Watch. I bet you just spit in her face. Yo, I love llamas. I need a llama. If my llama ain't spitting in people's faces, I don't want it. I think that's so funny. They're so mild, bruh.
Dude, so awesome. I'm gonna go for the pet.
Go in. He bites, remember?
Dude, I petted it.
That boy wants that grub, man.
Paul, move, Paul! Theo, are you okay? He's biting me now. Don't hit him.
What the hell is he doing, bro? The dang doggo. Yo, damn, bro. Ostriches do not play. They wasting it all. Aww. And he took it back. You're supposed to drink it, my boy. Alright, cool.
Are you gonna put it up over?
Hell no, bro.
Oh.
Mom, do not let your child feed. Actually, you know what I'm saying? You can do whatever you want with your kids, but y'all better be careful, man. Those ostriches, I feel like, don't play. I feel like they could just muck a finger real quick, and they would not be mad about it.
Annabelle.
Like that! Damn! How that feisty! Look at that thing has eyes of evil. Look at that thing. Yo, that thing's about to bite your penis off. Get him off. Yo, that just gave me anxiety, bro. Get him off of your pants. He was going in for the peck. You're gonna lose a nut.
You headbutt me again?
Oh my gosh.
Here I am.
Playing with fire.
Ow. I want to introduce a new member of my Snapchat team.
You're getting spit in.
Right here.
What?
This is
he bit his titty. Bro, another one. Look at, they love the Pepsi cups, man. Something about them. Yo, you better run. Yo, you go, hey, y'all can't tell me this is not the funnest thing to do at the beach. Hey, I always, when y'all grab like a handful of chips, throw them in the air and then see how fast I can run and try to outrun the pigeons, man. Y'all can't tell me y'all would not do this. Or seagulls, whatever. What the heck? What is going on here, man? I feel like I should be watching this. What'd that mouth do, boy?
So I think our babies are going to do pretty well for watermelon days. Hope everybody can come out and join us.
She's gonna get you. She's gonna get you. Don't upset the baby. Don't.
Did he spit? Did he just do a little spit? Bro, what is with llamas and eating plastic, man? Yo, let him get the grub out the box. I know you don't want the plastic part.
Mom, and you go.
Gulp, gulp, gulp. Hey, they chowing it down. What happened?
And then they took the girl's head.
Why are y'all bullying her? They said, pick it up. Pick it up. Hey, boo gangs. Who's stronger? Who's stronger? Aww.
Oh, we got it.
Bro, what are you doing? I don't think that's how they work. Oh, he took the shoe. Hey, he really grabbed that thing's wing. You scared of the parrot? That thing went for the ear. Wanted to taste. Hey, no cameras here, no pictures. Hey, man, let me know what you guys thought about that one, y'all. I thought that was a pretty funny one. Oh, wait, I forgot I wasn't supposed to laugh at all during that. But, hey, next one we ain't gonna laugh at all on, man. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. I'm sorry I'm yawning. Y'all be easy, though. Make sure y'all have a great day. That was the last one for today. And, deuces.